Good morning, you guys. So I'm at the vet with Tobers. He's doing a little checkup today. His yearly checkup, because he's so freaking adorable. He puked a few times though. I don't know what to stop it, buddy. Whoop. Be careful. So yeah, we're just getting a few shots today. And yeah, he's not going to be one happy puppy after he's done. Not at all. What, puppies? What? It's okay. She ignores you not, Mom. Tup tup. Say hi. Aw. What are you whining? She's a good boy. Is he a good boy? Is he a good boy? Ooh. I love you. Good morning, Toby. Like when I woke up, he woke up. So he woke up exactly at 9 and his appointment's at 9:15. So yeah. That's not fun at all. So we just woke up together because he's so adorably cute. Okay, we're at the vet, guys. And for Toby being such a good boy at the vet today, he gets his own alligator. You want an alligator? You want an alligator? You want an alligator? You want it? You want it? Get it. Good. Good. Get the alligator. Get it, Tobers. Oh, you're so vicious. Go get it. You like your alligator, Tobes? I hope you do. You're such a good boy. He's like, mine. All mine.
Gigi, guys. Gigi.
Hey, honey.
What's up?
What's up?
Stream, dude.
Hi, stream. Hi, honey. Are you enjoying streaming today?
Yeah. Hey, Stefanato, you still there, bro?
You're just so adorable. Yes. Yes, you're just so adorable. It's like, mine, Mom. Mine.
Focus. Focus. Mr. Sleepyhead over here. That's the way he sleeps. It's not the weirdest fucking thing. Just like a human being.
He's so cute when he's sleeping. He's too adorable. I mean, look at that.
He's also overweight.
Hey, honey.
He's fatty. Seriously, we're put him on a diet. He's supposed to lose, what, 3 to 6 pounds?
Yeah, 3 to 6 pounds. So, when we went to the vet this morning, the doctor said that he was a little overweight and he needed to lose about 3 to 6 pounds. And I'm like,
You only weighs what?
He weighs 16 pounds.
So he's supposed to weigh 10 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
Is what he's trying to say.
Yeah.
Supposed to put me on a diet.
For
his size.
His size, yeah.
What is that on diet?
My puppy's fat. No, Mommy's worst nightmare.
I kept trying to tell you, your dog is getting fat. You're like, no, he's just fluffy. I'm like, no,
fluffy.
He's getting fat. This
I was in denial.
Yeah, you were. Shit. I gotta go get ready for it. Unfortunately.
Are you playing with your alligator again? Huh? That poor alligator's like, help me. Help me. Hi, Toby. Oh, you're so sweet. You like your little alligator, don't you? Oh, I'm not taking your alligator. Okay, fine. You can play with your alligator. I was sitting there at the computer uploading the vlog to YouTube, and I hear this squeak, squeak, squeak in the background, a bunch of rustling, and Toby is enjoying his new toy. Can I squeak it? I squeaked it. Yay. Get it, Tobes. Get it. Get it, Toby. Get it, Toby. Oh, you squeaked it. Squeak it again. Here, squeak it again. Squeak boy. You're such a good boy. You're so adorable. Debbie, you ready for bed? Huh? You like mighty handsome there, little Tobes. I gave him a bath, and now we're going to go to bed because I gotta wake up early in the morning. I gotta be at work at 6, so I gotta be up at 5, which is in about 6 hours. Tubs, ready for bed? You ready for bed, Tobies? Let's see if I'll have like a little shadow following me, you guys. And he follows me. He's like, I'm ready, Mom. I'm laying down and everything. I'm ready. You're just so cute. He is pretty adorable. You guys gotta admit it. The puppy is cute. I also heard that the puppy is fat and the puppy needs to lose some weight, which kind of makes me sad. And now he wants to play with his alligator. Get it, Toby. Get it, Toby. Come on. Up. Up, Toby. Up. Come on. Come on, Toby. Good boy. So I know you guys can't see me right now. Did you hear that? Yeah, that's, someone thinks it's playtime. Exhibit A. Hey, Tobes? Toby? Hey, Tobes? Hey, Toby? Toby? Yeah, hi. Toby? 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 I have to ask you a question. Tobes, you're such a pain in my butt. I am taking your alligator away. Away, I said. Let go of your alligator. Puppy thinks it's playtime, and it really isn't playtime. Seriously, are you done? Are you done? Huh? Are you done? Apparently not. It's gonna be a long night. He won't let me have his alligator. I can't take it away. He likes it too much. One more squeak out of you. Seriously, Dubs. You suck. Dog's being a dick.
Hey guys, how you doing? So, Micheal had a workday shift today, and I'm fixing to go live on my stream in about 30 minutes. So I wanted to say deuces. Hope you guys have had a great day. Hope your day is going well. I got to work 10 hours tonight, so I'm not looking forward to that at all. But, you know, it is what it is. Yeah. Where are we? Oh, yeah. That subscribe button. If you enjoyed the vlog, as short or long as it may or may not be, depending on what the hell is going on today, feel free to hit that subscribe button and follow some of the crazy antics and shit that me and Micheal get into and shit tonight every day. This is a vlog. It's kind of like a daily diary of our lives and shit we do. So, you know, sometimes, a lot of times, more often than not, But you know what? You don't want to miss that one moment where you're going to go, these guys are off the chain and then doing some crazy, stupid, fun shit. We do, believe me. We're just working our asses off. She's working 40 plus hours at her job. I'm working 40 plus hours at my job. I stream 4 hours a day. She does the YouTube thing. That takes her about 4 hours. And so we're working multiple jobs and shit. But if you want to see yesterday's vlog, hit the blue button, green box, tomorrow's vlog, or something like that. I don't know. She'll do the insight later. She's better at it than I am. It is what it is. I love you guys. You guys hopefully have a great day, and we'll see you later.
Hey guys, welcome to the Insight. Welcome to the vlog. I hope you guys were having a great day. I'm sorry you only got to hang out with me. I'm sure you would rather hang out with Michael more than me during this vlog or whatever. But anywho, I love you guys. Michael loves you too. Just yesterday we didn't see each other at all because our working, his work schedule. I mean, we got a couple more hours to hang out with each other, but tomorrow we won't because our work schedules suck. That's pretty much how it is. So, anyhow, we will talk to you guys later. Click that blue box for yesterday's vlog. Click that green box for tomorrow's day vlog. Go to our main channel screen and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see and you like what you our content, and if you want to become a M.N.M Project channel family. So anyhow, we love you guys. We'll talk to you later.